So theorem 5 marks, it's very important. Find the Laplace transform of Heaviside or unit step function or first shifting theorem. So Laplace of h of t minus of a. Question karnega Laplace of h of t minus of a it should be in the form of Heaviside or unit step function. So that equal to this. Or prove that Laplace of h of t minus of a is equal to e raised to minus of sa divided by s. Right? So it is very easy theorem. So concept edrunagaithi Laplace of something Heaviside function means Laplace of function andre idu concept edrunagaithi. So Laplace transform agaithi andre ee theorem prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by using definition of Laplace ಹಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ, right? So like this. Proof. To prove Laplace of h of t minus of a, so is equal to e raised to minus of as divided by s. To prove this by definition of LP, by definition of Laplace transform, so it means Laplace of f of t that equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus of st into f of t, so it is a dt, isn't it? So replace f of t in terms of this f of function idale enide h of t minus of a adannu tunkodini. Replace h of t minus of a that equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus of st into h of t minus of a into dt. So this is function either function idu Heaviside function. So what is the definition of Heaviside function? So h of t minus of a is equal to 0 to 1 if t is less than a, so t is greater than or equal to a. So function this is function, so apply definition of function in this area. So area is 0 to infinity other. So between 0 to infinity I can choose the finite area of 0 to infinity between, so I can choose finite value a between this. Now split this h of t minus of a, so t is equal to a then this is area, so one value put ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ t is equal to a, so 0 to a then a to infinity. So it is split this 0 to a e raised to minus of st into h of t minus of a into dt plus a to infinity e raised to minus of st into h of t minus of a into dt, right? So using this, so 0 to a this value is t is less than a because of it is a fixed constant below this, so it is t is less than a, then increasing it is decreasing means it is t is greater than or equal to a. So using this, now apply the condition of definition. So if t is less than a, what is the value? h of t minus of a is equal to 0 when t is less than a. Antandra idar dele is 0 idu 0 into area it is this, it is whole term is 0 plus e into infinity. So it is t is greater than a, h of t minus of a is equal to when t is greater than or equal to a idar. So 1 into this antandre idu minus of st into dt. Clear? Down. So now, so that equal to Laplace of h of t minus of a, so that equal to integration e raised to minus of st divided by, so sorry, st minus a to infinity, substitute upper limit minus of lower limit, that is upper limit e raised to minus of infinity minus e raised to lower limit, it is 1 e raised to minus of sa, sorry, integration divided by s minus of s, sorry, integration of derivative of the area with respect to t other, so constant ಯಾವುದು minus of s other, so constant integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ divided by, so minus of s, so it is a to infinity. Apply e raised to minus of infinity is e raised to minus infinity divided by minus s, minus of minus plus e raised to minus of sa divided by it is s. So this is 0, only finally is e raised to minus of ACI divided by S. So this is the complete, right? So heaviside function to single iddage idu product of two heaviside function iddage Laplace of h of t minus of e ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ something function, so h ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ k of t minus of e product of two heaviside function. So function ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದರ definition 0 f of t minus of e, if t is less than e, it is t is greater than or equal to e. Another definition of heaviside function, when the function is more than one ಇದೆ. So ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ product of two function ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು definition. Only one single function ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so value is 1. ಡಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ f of t minus of e, 0 to f of t minus of e. So another property. Thank you.